Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the unboxing and the first time setup of this MI Wi-Fi ring extender Pro. Okay, all accessory inside the box. We have the warranty notes and user manual and this Wi-Fi extender Pro. And there's nothing else inside the box, so everything here I take out from the box. So these two we can just adjust it, and inside the box it located like this, and when we take out we can make it to this position. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to set up it. So before you install it, you need to go to your app store first and then search for this MI home, and then just install this application into your phone. Okay, after you already install the MI home to your smartphone, and then you need to open the user manual, and you need to find this QR code. It's just a few page from the front page, and then it's also have the QR code scan on the box, and you just open your phone camera and scan to the QR code, and then a link pop up here. You just press on it, and then just open this app that is suggestion, and now agree the term and condition. It's now directly open your MI home, agree, and select your country. After select your country, just press save, and now just press next, allow to open location. Okay, and now we let try to power supply to the Wi-Fi extender. Okay, when you first time power supply, you will see the here is the orange light blinking on the Wi-Fi extender. And now go back to your smartphone and you just press add button here, and just press add a device, and now just connect it with your Facebook account. Okay, and then you just select create new MI account, and now sign in and try now. Now we just press the add once more time, add a device, turn your Bluetooth on, set now, use open location, and go back, and now you can see your Wi-Fi ring extender Pro. Just select on it, and here we can see connect to another router, and now you can see your Wi-Fi, your home Wi-Fi, and then just select it, and now input your Wi-Fi password. After that, just press OK, and then just press next. Now your Wi-Fi extender Pro is connecting to your router. Okay, and you can see the light is changing here. It's get blue. Recommend room, set your room. Okay, now we just set up this extender pro which room. So I just select it, living room. So I just select it to my living room and then just press next. Name of device, Wi-Fi expand, Wi-Fi. I Wi-Fi rank extender pro. Just press next. Okay, now just press let get started. It's now loading and you just agree. And now it's the new name of the Wi-Fi is this your Wi-Fi's name and plus. You can also edit to extender. Extender. Okay, let's do the extenders now. Okay. You can also change the password here. You can add another password, but I just want to set it same as password of my Wi-Fi, and then just select OK. That's about it. Extender. That's about it. That's okay. No, it's just plus. So when I change the name, it's unsupport character. So we just try the given name first, and I just press OK. Okay, now we let's try to connect to the new. Okay, now we try to find this network. I go to the Wi-Fi setting, and now you can see it's the plus. Here is my Wi-Fi home, and then it's plus. Just connect it and input the same password as your Wi-Fi, and now connects. So now we try to play any internet, and it's still workable. This one. So it's workable. So that is all for today's video of how you can set up your iWi-Fi Range Extender Pro with your smartphone, and it's make available to another device to connect. And that is all for today, and thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.